HTC Wildfire E6 Plus full specifications. The Wildfire E6 Plus is a dual SIM smartphone with nano-sized SIM slots. It is expected to be released on December 8, 2024. The display of the device is a 5.56-inch IPS LCD screen, which is relatively small in size. It has a resolution of 720 by 1440 pixels, resulting in a poor display quality. The pixel density is 320 pixels per inch, indicating a lower sharpness and clarity in the visuals. The camera setup on this device includes a 32-megapixel plus 2-megapixel dual rear camera, which provides an average performance. It is capable of recording 1080p video at 30 frames per second, offering full HD video recording. Additionally, it features an 8-megapixel front camera for capturing selfies and video calls. The technical specifications of the MediaTek Helio G85 chipset include a quad-core processor with 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of inbuilt memory, making it an average performer in terms of processing power and storage capacity. However, it does offer the flexibility of expanding the storage with a dedicated memory card slot that supports up to 512 GB, providing users with the option to increase their device's memory as needed. The device supports 4G connectivity and VoLTE LTE for high-speed data and voice calls. It also features Bluetooth V 5.0 and Wi-Fi for wireless connectivity options. Additionally, it is equipped with a USB-C V 2.0 port for charging and data transfer. The 5,000 mAh battery provides an average level of power, which should be suitable for everyday use. Additionally, the 18-watt fast charging feature allows for quick and efficient recharging when needed.